It's Steve Zonardi here with Treviso Homes and Treviso Realty. I'm going to take you for a quick walk through the house in production. Today we are October 2nd. Little slowdown with the cabinets. Took about a couple weeks to get this installed right now, but let's have a quick look. Yeah, so currently right now, I don't know where we left off the last, but now trims are all done. Flooring clearly is done. The cabinetry in the kitchen's all complete. It's the tail end of it. You kind of see this is the finished design of it. You kind of see even the second row cabinets on the top. So if you see the second row cabinets, the smaller cabinets, those will all be, we'll have like puck lighting in it, so they'll all be lit, kind of like an ambiance. This is going to be a built-in oven here. We have to actually cut this out because it's actually larger than this, because there's supposed to be a third drawer, but this has to come out. So it'll be a nice built-in microwave and oven. Yeah, this is obviously Mike's design here with the thin. He wanted to go thin with the shakers instead of having like a larger one, because I guess it's old school style now. I'm not even sure why, but it looks a little bit more sleek, more like, you know, cool, right? Like more design. If you see the island, just more of a different color. Again, we went with like a white oak finish. And this is going to mimic the master bedroom. So let's keep it going. Pool's in, so that's for sure wasn't there when we did the last one. So pool's in, it's all Doug's backfill. Today they just surrounded tile on the coping. Electrical, plumbing, all inspected. Yeah, it's ready to fly. This week here, the gun night will get sprayed. Let's keep going here. I'll show you guys the master. So we got the painters in now, so they're prepping at the same time. You see these are the painters right there. So they're getting ready to prep. They're gonna spray everything, caulk, and then away we go. But let's keep it going here. So this is the master bedroom. Yeah, so this is, again, we went with this white oak finish here. It would be quite nice. It would be quartz countertops here. This will have like a little curb around it. The kitchen, talking about like the backsplash, we're gonna run the quartz right up. So that's it. But I don't think you saw this last two. These are the kitchen designs. You kind of see this is like a smooth finish. And then we got like this nice like textured end here. It's supposed to give like a spa type environment. We didn't want to go too gaudy. We've noticed, again, this is through Mike's designs. A lot of the properties that were around us, some of them are just over the top done. It looks like more like a museum piece. And again, these are like, we still went with expensive material, but we wanted to have a more of a homey feel. That's why you kind of feel the house with the way it feels, like the white oak finishes, the light gray tiles. We wanted to have it like very like comfortable living. Even all these doors, like these are all beautiful doors. You kind of see the panels that we chose. The trim, very simple, but nice. You want a nice clean design. No door stop. So just basically clean design, 7 1/4 inch. Let's keep it going here. So this is the pool bath. Again, I forgot where we left off, but this is now the pool bath. Again, similar concept, smooth finish, textured back area like a feature. And because this is the pool bath, clearly there's going to be you see the pool, this will all be pavers here, like the decking, and then also ultimately it'll be all caged in. So this is going to be great because if you're in the pool and family and friends like that, they're not going to track through the house. They'll just enter through this door here, get into the pool bath, and then, you know, in and out. So this washroom can stay wet, it's not an issue. And this is why we kind of use this pebble looking, you know, base here for the floor or the tile for the shower. Just kind of give a different feel, right? And then this bedroom, it's the third bedroom. This is the second bedroom with the private bath. We just did these now. We were actually delayed. Just put the sills in. We wanted just a nicer finish because if you see like some of the plain houses here, they'll just basically drywall the bottom. It doesn't give any definition. It's very simple fix, very cost efficient, but it looks, you know, makes it look more grand. And this is the last bathroom here. Again, same idea as the pool bath, smooth on the sides, textured it in the back. Yeah, that's pretty much it. In the master bathroom, we're gonna do a standalone tub, which is gonna arrive next week. All black faucets and fixtures. Tomorrow we have a bunch of trades coming in. We have fascia gutters coming, garage door install. We have the painters, clearly they're gonna be spraying. And then ultimately, We have the electrical finishing tomorrow, so it's pretty much, yeah, pretty robust right now. We've got a bunch of trades coming in. Also, the quartz countertops are going to be measured tomorrow too. So we're all hands on deck. We've already listed the property. We're listed at a $769,000, which I think is a great deal based on the neighboring properties at $890,000. The one in the rear is about $980,000 also. And we're at $769,000. I think this is where the product, we're providing a great product for a great price. So, and the whole idea is to multiply these. We're doing 1 now, then 3 next year, 5 the year after, then 10 the year after that. So yeah, this is the first out of the box property. Very proud of it, to be honest. It came out really, really nice. And that's it. Hope you enjoy this tour.